Here I have Realme C11 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn off your device by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. When you see this Android robot laying down and no command message under it, what you have to do is to just hold down power key and press volume up once. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. Here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, you have two options. You can select this power off option and just turn off your device, or select the first option, reboot system now, and restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.